So this is about uninstalling a visor out of a Honda. These are later model Hondas, and I don't know exactly what all years these things are in like this, but I have a 16 Pilot and an 18 Pilot, and they're both like this. So I've got this visor all clicked back in as if it's installed in the car, but it's out, so you can see exactly what this little mechanism is that we're trying to work with getting these things out. I couldn't quite find a video that showed exactly what's going on very well. So what's happening, this visor is like it is in the car when it's not pulled down or anything. It's up against the ceiling. Here's the windshield down here. Here's the ceiling of the car over this way. This thing is poking up into the ceiling, and on the side toward the windshield that you don't normally see from the driver's seat, you have this little hole, and this hole is a catch. And people struggle with this, and I did too earlier. But what's going on is let's see if we can focus on that. This part here that sticks up a little more, this is on the inboard side. So on the outboard side of the hole, toward the outboard side of the car, it's not going to do you any good to push over here. Move toward the inboard side of that hole and push the high side of this little catch thing. And what's happening is it's this little thing right here, right there, and it's got that part that sticks out catching on this plastic right here. So make sure we get that focused. So you get your screwdriver. I'm going to have to use both hands to do this. I'm going to put the phone down for a second, but get your screwdriver, push on the inboard side of that hole, push that thing down, and they all say you got to push really, really hard, you got to really push hard. Well, it's not that hard to do. You just got to push in the right spot to where it is willing to move or able to move, and then you can just turn that visor. So the first step is to, hang on, let's see if I can do this. Let's hold it still for a sec. Here we go. Anyway, let's see how I can arrange this to show you what's going on here. Should stand right there. What does it see in here? I turned it around again. Someplace turns it around. Okay. Now then, we have the visor here like it's installed in the car. No, like this. Okay, like this. It's installed in the car. Let's see if I can make sure I can see this. And here's the part that goes up into the ceiling. So you grab the visor and pull it down like you're shielding yourself from the sun. And then they all say that you spin it in like this. And the only reason you do that is so you can reach back and have access to that hole. It doesn't really matter if you do that or not. And then get your screwdriver. I'm just going to turn this around and show you. I hope that I'm in a place where you can see that. And you push on the high side of that thing, and then turn the visor. Hang on. Turn the visor till it clicks out. Oh, I didn't get it past the thing. Okay. Let's see if we can do this here. Can you push that in? And once you push it in the right spot, and it's even easier to do it in the car. Once you push in the right spot, it just clicks right out. And now it's unclicked and it'll pop out of the ceiling. Then you kind of carefully get this thing down so you don't hurt this wiring. Get the plug out, and then the catch is pretty easy on this to pull the plug out. Anyway, now, hang on a second. Now you can see what happened. When you reinstall it, you turn the visor until that clicks back over that. It's kind of stopping it now, but when you reinstall it, you turn that visor until it clicks back over that and clicks that back in like that, then you're installed. and to get it back out, you push that thing in. And when you have both hands and the visor's installed, the car's holding the visor for you, it's way easier. But anyway, I just, all the videos I found, they were kind of lacking that information. I couldn't really see exactly what was going on, what to do, so I thought I would make this and show you. Thanks so much for watching.